what boundaries sound like.
It's not my responsibility to make sure others are responsible. It's not my job to rescue people from their drama. It's okay if others get angry. It's okay to say no without explaining myself. It's my job to make me happy and figure out what brings me joy. It's not my job to think, feel, or live for others. I have a right to feel my feelings, no matter what anyone else feels about my feelings. No one has to agree with me. No one has a right to verbally abuse me, and that includes family, friends, partners, and co-workers. It's not okay to enmesh with my thoughts, emotions, or other people. It's okay to spend time alone without explaining myself. I do not need permission to be who I am, think what I think. Other people have every right to not like me or disagree with me, but they don't have the right to disrespect me. I have a right to end draining conversations and relationships. I know I'm enough.